Introduction. Hi friends, today, we're diving into earthquake-resistant building design, a crucial topic to ensure our structures stay strong during earthquakes. Understanding seismic forces. Earthquakes make buildings shake and sway. We need designs that can handle these forces without collapsing. Importance of building codes. Codes are rules for safe building design. They're based on past earthquakes and engineering knowledge. Seismic retrofitting. Strengthening existing buildings to withstand earthquakes. It's like giving an old building a safety upgrade. Base isolation. Buildings placed on special bearings that absorb shaking. This technique prevents ground movements from harming the structure. Damping systems. Using energy-absorbing devices to reduce shaking. Think of it like shock absorbers for buildings. Flexible design and redundancy. Designing buildings that can bend and absorb energy. Redundancy means having multiple supports to prevent collapse. Soil analysis and foundations. Soil type affects how a building responds to quakes. Foundations are adjusted accordingly for stability. Case studies. Taipei 101 Tower in Taiwan uses a tuned mass damper to reduce swaying. Transamerica Pyramid in San Francisco has a pyramid shape for stability. Conclusion. Earthquake-resistant design is a mix of smart engineering and safety rules. Following codes, retrofitting, and using techniques like isolation and damping help buildings endure quakes. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with others. Jai Hind, India, Jai Bharat, Landmark, Sparkles.